Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between. I'm Clenham, and a warm welcome to my channel. Today's delicacy is beans brewed in coconut oil. So, without further ado, let's get it started. I can't think. So, before we move on, please hit that subscribe button to support this channel, and do not forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. And hey, remember that I always have the ingredients and their quantities and alternatives in the description box waiting for you. So, the ingredients are plantain, mackerel, dried anchovies, beans, coconut oil, tomatoes, onion, pepper, and some stock cube. Now, let's bring 1.5 liters of water to boil, and when it boils, we're going to throw our washed beans in there and let it cook on a medium to low heat until it gets soft and tender. And while that is cooking, I'm going to start preparing my ingredients for the gravy, and I'll start with my onion followed by pepper and tomatoes. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, I can't. Now, choose your favorite saucepan, put it on a medium heat and drop your oil in there. And when it melts, all we have to do is to stir fry our onions for about 3 to 5 minutes. Time to add our anchovies, also known as skater schoolboys in Ghana, just to give that sort of dried fish, Kobe-ish, momone-ish flavor, followed by tomatoes and pepper. And after stirring, I'm going to cover this and let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now the plantain, which we're going to peel, add some salt, mix with our hands, and they'll be ready to be fried. So let me now go back to check on my stew, and as you can see, the liquid from the tomatoes has started to evaporate. So now I'm just going to add my stock cube, some salt to taste, followed by hey, did I say forward? Anyways, where was I? Followed by the mackerel, and I'm going to let it cook for 5 minutes and it will be ready. So when the stew is ready, just cover it, because else it's going to continue to evaporate and it's going to be sort of dry. So just keep it covered with a lid. And now that the stew is out of the way, let's now concentrate on the beans and plantain. I'm going to add some salt because my beans is almost done. How do you know whether your beans is ready? You're going to notice that the water starts to densify. And yeah, you also have to just take one beans and squeeze it to check the softness. And as you can see, mine is ready, but I'm going to keep it on the fire for another 5 to 10 minutes just for it to become thicker. So to fry the plantain, all we have to do is to take our pan, add some oil suitable for frying. That could be sunflower or granite or any oil that you use to fry. And when it's hot, we're going to drop our plantains in there and fry 2 minutes per side. What am I supposed to do? Yeah, I Let's now check on our beans, and as you can see, most of the water is gone and our beans has become thicker. So now all we have to do is to join forces. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And back to our recipe. Now all we have to do is to cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes, just for the ingredients to intermingle, and our food will be ready. Food is ready and I'm ready to eat, so I think it's time for me to go. At the end of the video, you're going to see the ingredients that I have for one of my next recipe, which is soya infused turkey burger. If you're curious, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.